So Samsung is cooking up something juicy with the Galaxy Tab S10 series. So far we have had many leaks about the lineup which reveal that it would only have the Plus and Ultra model this time. Both of them will feature MediaTek chipset, enter production this month and hit the market in October. But hold on to your hats folks, because today we have got the grand reveal you have all been waiting for. Our first look at the glorious Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the majestic Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Yes, the Android headlines has revealed the renders of the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. As you can see in the images, the upcoming tablets have the same design as the existing models, the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and Tab S9 Ultra. That's not a bad thing at all, because current models have an excellent design which looks clean, symmetrical and modern. We do wish that Samsung made the notch on the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra smaller or removed it altogether to give it a same look as the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, which looks cleaner. According to the publication, the new tablets will come in silver and graphite. The renders gave us a peek at both colors, so at least we know what to expect. As we already talked about, the Galaxy Tab S10 series comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, a 4nm chip made by TSMC. This CPU boasts 8 high-performance CPU cores and ARM's powerful Immortals G720 GPU with hardware ray tracing. We also got the charging speed of the Galaxy Tab S10 series. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Tab S10 Ultra were certified by Chinese certification, and those documents reveal that the tablet's fast charging speed will remain at 45 watt. This is similar to the charging speed of the Galaxy Tab S9 series, which was launched in mid-2023. To be frank, Samsung didn't really bring their A game with the Tab S10 series this time around. We are stuck with the same old design and hardware, with the only saving grace being the new Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. It will be interesting to see how Samsung has tweaked the Dimensity processor for these tablets, especially since it's their first time using a non-Qualcomm CPU. Can't wait to see what they have cooked up this time. So that's all the info we have on the new leak at the moment. Finger crossed we will learn more about the devices as the launch date approaches. Oh, and don't forget there is also the Galaxy S24 FE to look forward to. For all the juicy details on the fan edition of S24, check out my latest video. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.